Alrighty, so we're back. We kind of fell off during the spring. I think no, the fall.
Fall.
Those are the same things. Leaves fall off, leaves come back on. All right, so we're sorry. We kind of got busy with school, and then we're like, school's, you know,
A little more important.
we gotta do the school a little bit. And then it started getting cold. And then we got bored, and we're like, So now we're back in the winter. We just had an amazing snowstorm, as you can see. It snowed a lot, but it was more windy than it was.
Oh, here's a good example. So there's the height of Mason Suburban, and then there's snowdrifts right next to it that are crazy tall.
Yeah. So Joey came over here to plow my driveway. As you can see, it's very lumpy.
Needs it.
It needs it. And I thought it'd be cool to see how far I can get with that in four-wheel drive, or see if I can make it. I'm pretty sure I can before we plow it, just because why not? It'll make good content.
Hell of it. Yep.
And I want to see if I can make it. So yeah, I guess we'll start.
We got a full send this one.
We got a full send this one. We'll send that dog.
I guess next clip, you'll be getting stuck.
No.
See how far he really makes it here. Oh God. Oh my gosh, he might make it. Oh hell yeah. So here's a good example of how deep this is. This was above his tire right here. He made it all the way through. I'm assuming after this. See you gotta get the post, what do you call it?
What's that?
You gotta get the post-plow interview. How do you feel?
That felt pretty good, except for in the end my brakes didn't really want to work because there's snow in them.
I mean, that was,
Did it look cool?
yeah, I think it looked really cool.
Awesome. Perfect.
Intro for sure.
Definitely. It wasn't,
Yeah.
it wouldn't do that. And then it got to the end and then it did, as I put my foot down. All right, that looks spectacular. Now,
Snowplow compilation.
snowplow compilation.
Yee.
This is Joey's snowmobile. All right, let's get this dope starting. All right, let's do the time lapse. Really? Got a sledding hill we're gonna use. Ooh, treasure. What is this? Oh, it's the panel off my garage. Cool. we got a lot of it. Obviously, we can't get all of it because we don't want to
I don't want to ruin the asphalt.
ruin the asphalt. But our cars are fine.
Yep.
There's a man.
Is that Shane?
I don't know. Anyway,
Looks like it. I don't know.
yeah. Now we got a little. Let's go check out the sledding hill. I haven't seen this yet.
So I heard Mason's little brother and little sister might want a sledding hill, so I figured I'd give it a go and see how it
Look at this.
would go.
Wow.
Packed it down pretty good, so it should slide pretty nice.
I heard you back there. I was like, I wonder what he's doing. Well, the panel on my garage broke off last night. I saw it flopping around in the wind. And I was like, it won't fall off.
I was a little worried I somehow broke it, but I figured there's no way that panel would have been broken with where I was going.
No. Anyway,
So yeah,
it was a little time. We got time lapse halfway through it because I couldn't find a spot to put my phone. But I got some other shots, as you saw.
yeah, I'm hoping we can get some fancy music.
It's probably not going to be a very long time lapse.
Yeah.
It's mostly going to be me of shoveling and Joey going by a few times. So, oh, jeez, I almost fell. Our new chore.
Should we show off the tractor if anybody cares?
Yeah, here, you can take the camera since you know more about this than I do.
So this is a Case TR320, obviously. It's diesel, obviously. Skid steer. We got a bucket on it now, but it's got a detachable loader. It's on tracks. It's pretty nice. Central machinery. I don't know what year it is, but it's pretty dang nice. Indestructible. I don't think I've ever gotten this thing stuck.
Except for we had to use pickaxes and some
Oh yeah.
hammers to break out the drive gears.
Yeah, this thing right here spins. You can see there's like teeth in here, and it was frozen solid full of permafrost, so
Yeah.
it's pretty nice.
So
Okay,
Yep. All right. This is our next chore.
next chore, shove all this.
We gotta get all this in a bucket.
Yay! We're getting another shovel, and we're
There's just a patch of snow.
like,
There's like
right, show this.
Yeah.
So we know this because you can see
There's
there's not a very good seal on
crack
the
in
door.
there.
So that blew through because we had like 45-mile-an-hour wind gusts. But
However,
here, we can't, because it couldn't have blown through here because there'd be snow right here.
there's no way it made it. Maybe it made it from over there all the way
Well,
over
you
here.
can see there's snow there,
Mhm.
and there's nothing in between.
Yeah, there's nothing in between.
Look up, show up there. Nothing.
There's a little crack. but
Oh,
there's
wait,
no
wait,
way.
Mason.
See it?
Okay.
Oh. There is snow there.
There's snow there. And maybe, I don't know.
I guess we'll find out when the garage starts dripping water.
Yeah.
I don't know if those are bowls.
Maybe there's a panel in the middle or something. I don't know what happened here, but yeah, there's some snow up here, but there's just snow like in a perfect like round
What is
little
this?
thing.
Like an inch or two?
Probably half inch.
Yeah. I'd say an inch.
Half to an inch.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Well, I can see by this.
That's hilarious.
Well,
Let me
I
show you
guess-
what I think happened. Maybe.
so this is the.
Some nice
You
little.
can kind of see how bad the snow drifts were last night. I feel like if you get close enough, it'll be like a glacier.
Well, I changed my original thought because there's no way that could have happened. This was the panel that blew off.
Oh, that's nice. Someone was building a nest in there.
Alright, so never mind, it didn't blow in through here.
So your theory's debunked.
Yep. Huh. That's a mystery that we'll never know,
Sadly.
sadly. Now I look at the flash. I can't look at my
Alright.
phone. Alright, we'll start shoveling now.
Yep. Time lapse.
Time lapse.
the scenes on the thumbnail.
We just took a thumbnail picture.
Yes, we did.
Now we gotta get Joey down.
It's kind of warm.
Let's watch this. See if he falls.
Whoa! Oh. Parkour legend. Oh, watch this, watch this.
All right, we cleared it, a lot of it. There's like a pallet back here, and we're not gonna mess with it. It's fine.
It looks like there's more snow than there is.
Yeah, but
And we got 3 bucket loads out of just right here. So
yeah, if there was a pause. We just got a low battery warning. That's what that was.
Yeah.
Anyway,
And we should probably mention this at some point.
yes, Joey got a new
I got a
his birthday.
GoPro for my birthday. Thank you from my family. We didn't have an SD card today, but I brought it hoping we could find one. And so this is what we're gonna be filming on from now. It's a GoPro Hero Black 7. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, they can.
So hopefully we'll have very, 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 very good video from
Yeah.
now on. And I'm gonna be buying a gimbal for it, so it'll be super smooth. And then I'll have an extender so we can get some pretty cool shots and some nice video.
We tried to use it. I don't know if you meant for me diving through the snow, but
Yeah.
we had
It was-
SD card problems.
It would record 17 seconds and then say the SD card needed to be reformatted. So
Yeah, it was only a 4 gigabyte one. So,
yeah, it's pretty small. So
yeah.
we're gonna dump this and we'll see you in a minute.
3 snow piles. Well, I guess 2 if you don't count the sledding one. But it's about as oh god, I almost fell. Jesus Christ. It's about as tall as me now. Joey's gonna kill me. I better move. Walk through the snow. Is it a little shaky? That's it. Alrighty. We're testing out our sled hill. Joey's got a shovel.
You break it, you're gonna buy me.
Yeah, I don't know about this.
Joey.
I don't
Need
know.
a push?
Epic fail.
I'll give you a push. Look at the cutouts.
Just a bunch of snow. Shovel?
It's kind of
Shovel.
hardened, but
Shovel? That's funny.
need some more.
Alright, so
This is sketchy.
we found the only sled in my yard because my brother stole all of them. So Joey's gonna go down in the little sled. Would you like a first person view? Joey, I'll hold the camera.
This is gonna be sketchy. I have to fall down onto this sled because it's so low to the ground. Whew. Pretty weak. Made it! Wait, your turn.
So Joey started there.
Apparently I'm weak.
I found some boots, so I'm gonna.
He's got boots, so he's got more balls, I guess.
Yep. Oh boy.
Demonetized right there.
Are you guys ready?
Oh. Whee! You ruined my guardrails.
Oh, what's the point? Now we start again.
What a child.
Excited?
What a child. And I just realized for people that might not realize, you see grass right here and you think, oh, it's probably all melting, so blah blah blah. We had 45-mile-an-hour winds earlier, so it would.
You can see it's kind of built up in the grass. in
Yeah.
Some random places.
We had heavy winds. Yeah, you can see the snow drifts way over there. It got pretty bad last night. And it's not supposed to warm up for a couple weeks, so
I want to try and jump a guardrail.
are we gonna do first person this time?
Yes.
Yeah?
That went well.
Nice.
Ooh, I'm
He's got
cold
a
now.
glove full of snow.
Alright, we're just gonna give the camera. Because once I sit on this, I think I'm going forward. I don't think so. Where? Walking? No. Alright. Let's see if I can mount this thing
Oh God.
one-handed. No.
Hold on.
Go backwards.
Your legs are
Okay. Here we go. Jump thing. It worked. I can't. Oh, look at that. That's a right. Like I popped myself. Look at that snow.
Think I could slide down on my stomach?
Sure, give it a whirl.
I think it worked.
Yeah.
Is it working?
You look like a beached idiot.
Beached idiot.
Alrighty.
I'm ruining this sled.
Time to go edit this video.